having taken over the spinner, they're definitely on par with the spinners. Absolutely. Alexander in particular has done a great job. It started off talking Walsh initially, and there's been a concerted effort in tuning these guys.
Krishna.
You can see it's a question of getting used to conditions at home. There's been a concerted effort the Bangladesh Cricket Board in making
Sedur.
overseas.
ऐसा खाला तू जा दूर तक खाएगा
Initially, and also helps the batter get into rhythm how to manipulate pace bowlers. So that's a double sort of advantage that we've seen. Pace bowlers coming through, there are a lot of others waiting in the wings. So far, the fast bowlers doing well. 8 overs, just 22.
Hay que hacer nada más que खाला
Now. Atkins again. Atkins.